Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter Control and Coordination, and in that we are studying topic Thyroid Gland. Now thyroid gland is just located near larynx, your voice box. So let's study a bit about thyroid gland today. Thyroid gland. Now thyroid gland is responsible for making T3, T4 thyroxine hormones. It's just located your larynx or your voice box in the tracheal region. That is your windpipe. It's made up of larynx, thyroid, the main gland, isthmus and trachea, your windpipe. Now trachea and thyroid gland are very near to each other, co-associated. Thyroid gland is made up of two lobes also that are transversely associated, known as isthmus. Thyroid gland. Now thyroid gland is present in the neck region. It is located near larynx or your voice box, and it is near the lateral region of trachea, which is your windpipe. Now it is about 25 grams in weight and 5 to 3 centimeters in size. There are about two lobes that laterally connect the bands that are present in thyroid gland, which are termed as isthmus. So there are two lobes, and these two lobes are connected by a band of tissues that's termed as isthmus. There are also two parathyroid glands which is just present in your thyroid tissue, and these parathyroid glands have greater importance. They also produce certain kind of hormones which are of crucial role. So students, in this part of the chapter we talked about thyroid gland. I hope you are very clear with this concept. Thank you.